Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right in Photos. Open the image and tap Edit, then the three dots and Markup. Use an Apple Pencil or your finger to draw. Don't worry about perfection yet. Draw a rough circle where you want it. Once your stroke is finished, keep holding the pen or finger on the screen for a moment. The iPhone will automatically straighten your stroke into a smooth shape. This instant correction is why Markup is the fastest way to get a clean circle on your photo. Once the circle snaps into place, tap it to see handles and style options. Drag handles to resize or relocate the circle precisely, and use the color swatch and stroke slider to change hue and thickness. Adjust opacity if you want a subtle overlay. If you need exact positioning, use 2 fingers to pan or zoom the image before adjusting. Make sure to preview at actual size, because stroke width looks different when zoomed out. So if you want a mathematically perfect circle or a scalable vector, open Notes, create a new note, tap plus and choose the circle shape, resize and style it there. Tap and hold the shape to copy it, then paste into Photos or take a screenshot to save. Once done, export or save. If snapping fails, draw more deliberately and hold the stroke until the shape locks. If that still fails, force close the app and retry. This usually clears transient touch glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.